Hello guys, today I'll be showing you an unboxing video of One Piece Kaizoku Musou 2 for the PlayStation Vita. So I'm going to show you the front first. Front, the side, the back. Oh, and one thing to note, it's focus, sorry about that. It's online compatible. So yeah, you can play with other people online, but I'm not sure whether this is cross-play, whether you can play with the PS3, but well, I'm gonna find out later. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing of this, shall we? Second. So yep, here we go. And there, fully unwrapped. Let's open this up. Oops, it's download code for one Luffy's Film Z outfit. So yep, that side we have some manual or something, and the game itself. Looks pretty cool. So yep, that's all for this video. I'll be posting quite a few of this game gameplay soon. So don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. Do stay tuned for One Piece Kaizoku Musou 2 gameplay. Thanks for watching.